up, guys? Little winter biking today, thanks to some guy that commented and wanted some winter biking. So my weapon of choice today, the dirt jumper. What's Sarah riding?
Ooh, the Schwinn fat bike.
Nice.
Schwinn.
So Sarah's probably a little smarter than me today, but that's okay. I like the agile whippiness of the good old dirt jumper. That being said, we got a good little hill here. Give him a little pan. So I'm gonna borrow the fat bike from Sarah. We're just gonna do some flybys here. Okay, that was fun, but we're gonna park the fat bike now. Try it on the dirt jumper.
Oh no.
Oh!
Oh shit.
Oh! Back one!
Jesus. Where are you going?
Continue on. No biggie, camera's just gonna die in about 2 minutes.
No biggie. I don't want to crash.
It came out. You only got a rear brake.
Oh, lovely.
Come on, DJ. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, my fucking nuts. Jeez. Getting stabbed by this broken pedal here. This isn't very fun right now. Whew.
That was good.
Okay, so we're like freaking biking over here and I found this nifty little jump, eh? So we're gonna hit it now. Wow.